Okay, let's age and put together Rolife's Kiki's Magic Emporium furniture. So this is Ranger stamping ink in the colors coffee and black. I have a link in my bio for them. I also have a link in my bio for Rolife as well as in my TikTok shop. Then I like to take the sandpaper and really age it even more. And sometimes I tend to go back and forth with the ink and the sandpaper. The sandpaper comes in the kit. Glue also comes in the kit, but I use my own. And I glue this right to the front. I'm just following the directions. It tells you by pictures how you do it. It will also tell you if you need glue or not. Some of these pieces look as though they click together, but they don't stay together without glue. So then once it's all done and dry, then I age it some more, add the top. And what I recommend, so these are little papers that go on the front and they say what's in each drawer. And so I'm aging those with that same ink, just brown. I'm using brown. And then I thought it was easiest to just put the dots of glue on the piece of furniture first and then add them. Because as the glue gets tacky, it's a little bit easier to stick. Now you can follow the directions to these in regards to these little additions, or you can do it yourself, however you want. You could glue these little pieces of paper on the front, sticking out of each drawer. Here I'm doing them according to what the directions say, which is kind of under this ledge to one of the drawers. You could set some on top, but sometimes remember, I kind of look at the final picture because some of these, the furniture will only fit a certain way. So I want to make sure that I don't put a piece of paper on top of furniture if another piece of furniture has to go on top of it. So the rest of these, you can see I'm just gluing them as the directions say, aging them as I go with the ink. And this is the front panel of this piece of furniture that's going to go in the center of the Emporium. The pieces I'm doing now are like pieces of glass that are a display window. So it comes with the plastic, and then you glue the plastic in this case, on the inside so that they look like windows and glass. And then glued it to the top, and then glued the top to that top. I like to get all the furniture pieces done because then when I do, I have an idea of where they will all fit. And then I like to do the little tiny fun things. I usually don't glue anything in until I kind of look at it because many times I add my own. So here's an example of one of the pieces of wire. And all you do is take the piece of wire, bend it, and then flatten it and glue it on, and it turns into a hook. But with anything you have around the house, make it your own. Buttons, lace, curtains, whatever you want. I have a Rolife in my TikTok shop. I also have a link in my link tree to their website, and I have them in my Amazon affiliate under Rolife. In regards to the ink, I also have a link to Ranger in my link tree for stamping ink. Have fun!